Melanie Forsberry, and I'm a leading hair extension expert and trainer who is helping women build their own successful hair extension business just like I have. At Flair, we offer a Masterclass training course. We have put together a revolutionary online hair extension program that takes you through the world of hair extensions one step at a time. Our course is broken down into 10 easy step-by-step modules. Each module comes with videos, downloadable slides, worksheets, reference materials, and more. You will also receive our bonus material, which is going to teach you how to start and structure your own successful hair extension business.
Hey guys, I'm Jody. I started in the beauty industry 12 years ago as a licensed hairstylist and had no formal training in extension. I knew the demand for extensions was growing and I wanted to be able to offer this service to my clients. The Flair course gave me the knowledge, skill, and confidence to go out there as a hair extension specialist and attack the industry. I run my own business, make my own hours, and get to be there for my kids, all while doing something that I love.
Become a hair extension technician today from the comfort of your own home.